Story of Miku Monkey. Once upon a time, there was a big forest and lots of animals lived there. A monkey called Miku was also lived there. One day, he was very hungry, so he went here and there in search of food. He found a big mango tree in the jungle. There were lots of big yellow mangoes hanging on it. Monkey climbed up on the tree and sat there. He picked up a big mango and ate it. Aha! The mango was very yummy, juicy and sweet too. He ate many mangoes and now his stomach was full. So he took some rest on the tree. After some time, a hungry deer came under the tree in search of food. Deer tried to get some mangoes. Suddenly, he heard a loud voice of monkey from the tree. "Oh dear, go from here. This tree belongs to me only. Nobody can take these mangoes." Deer tried to explain the monkey that tree was in the jungle and belongs to everyone, so he had a right to eat the mangoes. But Miku monkey didn't listen to deer and became very angry. So deer went from there very sadly. After some time, Miku monkey saw an elephant coming to the tree for mangoes. But same thing happened. Miku shouted at him also. "Oh elephant, go from here. This mango tree belongs to me only. Nobody can take these mangoes from the tree." Elephant told him politely, "You must share food with others. Nobody lives alone in the jungle and tree belongs to everyone. So I want to eat some mangoes because I am hungry." But monkey didn't listen him and became angry with shouting continuously. So elephant also left the place without eating mangoes. Miku monkey thought, if other animals came and ate up these mangoes, they will be finished soon. No. I can't let this happen. He got an idea. He collected all the mangoes of the tree in a big sack and was happily to think that now they are safe. But alas, fruits started spoiling in a few days. Now Miku monkey worried. "Oh, what can I do now?" So he started eating mangoes and ate 1 mango, 2 mango, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 mangoes. Now he got stomachache. He was very sad and started crying. "Oh, please somebody help me. Please somebody help me. I am in so much pain." Soon animals come to know who is crying. They asked the Miku monkey, "What happened to you?" He told them that the whole story and requested them to call a doctor. Doctor gave him some medicines and soon he was all right. But Miku monkey understood well that he must share food and things with other fellows. Mostly collected things get destroyed soon. Nobody lives alone in this world and didn't eat so much at a time because it hurts a lot. Miku monkey felt sorry to everyone for his bad behavior and all become happy now. Moral of the story is, share your things and food with everyone and be nice to others.